Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm shooting this video on a very special occasion, that is Raksha Bandhan. I'm sure you must have been preparing for Rakhis and gifts for your brothers and sisters. And this is the first Raksha Bandhan that I'm not with my brother. खूप जास्त homesick वाटतंय आता मला. I'm so homesick. I really feel ki I just want to get on a plane and go there, celebrate Raksha Bandhan with him, with my family, and come back again. But it's possible nahi, definitely. So never mind. But this is the first Raksha Bandhan that I'm not with him, and I'm feeling really homesick right now. But I've found something very amazing. I just got to know about IGP, and it is just so amazing. It is going to make my Raksha Bandhan awesome. Do you want to know what it is, how it works, and my complete vlog about this Raksha Bandhan? Watch this video till the end. Until that time, I'll get ready for Raksha Bandhan. Bye-bye. So hello guys, I am back and I'm ready for Raksha Bandhan. But first, let me tell you what made me so happy and what made my Raksha Bandhan so special. It is IGP and Winnie. These are the two platforms using which you can send gifts, Rakhis, birthday cakes, beautiful hampers, personalized gifts to your loved ones from Australia to India, and it reaches within just 24 hours. So best thing is it is affordable and it also reaches within 24 hours. Winnie gifts reach within 2 hours, minimum 2 hours to 6 hours, and IGP reaches within a day, so it reaches within 24 hours. But it has so much beautiful options that you can explore, personalized gifts and beautiful Rakhis, and they are so beautiful. Let's explore these two platforms. So I have this IGP where I can deliver gifts to India. So it is just so amazing platform. It has so much personalized gifts, Rakhis, and the most important thing is it's same day delivery. So it has different hampers. The Rakhi collection 2025 is so good. I mean, it is really amazing. As you can see, your favorite pics and birthday gifts, cakes, everything, send surprises overseas. I mean, wow, this is just so amazing. It's so beautiful. And then have this Winnie. Winnie is also one of the platforms using which you can send gifts to India. It has various options of Rakhis. As you can see, Rakhi with chocolate, sweets, dry fruits, spiritual Rakhi, designer Rakhi, and just wow. And there are so many other things as well, like cakes and different various gifts. But first, let's explore Rakhi options. So if you go to all Rakhi, you can seriously find all of these different personalized and very nice Rakhis. They are so good. खूपच सुंदर आहे आणि खूप छान आहे. खूप जास्त ऑप्शन्स आहेत ह्याच्यात एक्सप्लोर करण्यासाठी. सो इट हॅज सो मच ऑप्शन्स. इतकं स्वीट आहे ते, खूपच मस्त आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये भरपूर ऑप्शन्स आहेत आणि एका पॉईंटला कन्फ्युज होतं कोणती राखी सेंड करायचं. इट इज सो अमेझिंग. ऑल द प्राइजेस आर व्हेरी रिझनेबल, सो यू कॅन चूज एनी वन ऑफ देम. हाऊ ब्युटिफुल राईट. एवढे मस्त ऑप्शन्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये, खूप जास्त व्हरायटीज आहेत आणि इट इज खूप जास्त खूप सुंदर आहे ते. अँड यू कॅन ऑलवेज ट्राय डिफरंट पर्सनलाइज्ड गिफ्ट्स अँड कॉम्बोज अँड वेरियस डिफरंट गिफ्ट्स. सो इवन इफ आय एम miles away, I can still make my presence felt there, and I just love these two platforms. Okay, this is not at all a paid promotion. I just found these two platforms and I thought of sharing these platforms with you so that you can also send them to your loved ones and make your day and their day as well. And I'm very excited. I've sent one gift hamper, like a Rakhi hamper from IGP, and that is going to be that will be reaching by today evening or something Indian time. And then I found a single Rakhi on Winnie that was so cute. It was pretty. The design was so pretty. So I loved that as well, and I sent that as well from Winnie. So that will be reaching really early. I'm just waiting. When will that reach? So maybe in 2 hours or something it will reach. By the time you can explore these platforms and send gifts, Rakhis, whatever with your loved one, I'm going to use it not only for this Raksha Bandhan but also for the birthdays of my family, friends, relatives, anniversaries of my parents. Even in Diwali gifts, I can send Diwali gifts as well. So it is just so beautiful. Even though you're far away, there are always platforms, there are always ways that you can make such occasions really special. Today I'll see you in the next video, and happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone. Have a lovely Raksha Bandhan and bye bye.